So I'm just heading down to my brother's for the afternoon and evening excuse me, down at his boat on his marina. They've got a bit of a thing down, there's a bar down there, and the girl that owns the bar, young girl, she's done amazing, she owns this bar, and it's her birthday and there's a singer and a barbecue and everything else. So Abby was gonna come, but I couldn't get the dog sorted, so I'm going on my own anyway. So we're doing that. I'm heading down there now, and yeah, obviously I will get back in touch with him a bit closer. It's going to be a bit of a solo vlog, obviously. My brother's asked me to bring the drone, so I don't know what he wants me to shoot down there, but I will, yeah, I've got the drone, so we'll get some decent shots, I'm hoping, for that. We'll have a night, we'll have a few beers, bit of a barbecue, and I'll film what I can. You know what I'm like at filming, so I don't know how much is actually going to get filmed, but I need to stop and get some milk. I haven't got any milk in the van, and yeah, I think that's it. Maybe some bread for the morning, don't know what I'm doing yet, but yeah, I will do that and we'll catch up with you a bit later. Speak soon. Right, so I'm nearly there. I'm just coming down the road to my brother's yard, and any of you OG followers of ours will know that I've been here a few times. We've filmed down here a couple of times. We actually looked at a couple of boats here when we got Supernova. Yeah, we actually looked at a couple of boats here and another marina just down the road, but yeah, obviously we didn't get it because we got Supernova. But yeah, this is a lovely marina. I'm just actually stuck at train crossing, so a bit of a pain, but yeah, so I will catch up with you all in in a little while. I'll see you when we're there. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Well, I've just got here, I'm just walking across the river actually, as what I've come down here for. I think I said earlier there is someone's birthday who owns this little bar over the road, and I think there's music and barbecue, and well, there is music because I can hear it. So yeah, I think I don't know if it's music or like a band, a singer. I think it's a singer as opposed to like music. So I will, I'll let you know when I get there. I can't see anyone, but oh yes I can, yeah, there is a singer here, yeah. So look, I'll film a bit when I'm down there. I'll just get here and get a beer first. I'll see you in a minute. Right, I've just got a burger. This is a little burger barbecue area down here, and there's a rolling bean there, must be waffles and all sorts. Someone's hiding in there, look, don't want to be on film. This is the burger. There's a bar here as well, which I don't know if John knows even, and just more seating. And this is all part of the girl I said to you earlier, Daisy's birthday is, who owns this bar. This is all part of her little bit as well, and that's the bar there, the Riverside Inn. It's called the Boat and the Bean now, and the singer's just coming on, who's meant to be the best, Sarah I think her name is, but we'll film some of this in a little bit, but yeah, obviously I haven't got my mic on, the camera's really close, but I haven't got my mic on, but this will, I'll film some of this and you can, see what's going on, but I'll turn you around. I don't think her mic's working at the minute, her mics are not on. It looks like we're going to have to start again. But yeah, I'm going to go back and eat my burger and I'll film some of this in a bit. having fun on your paddle boards. People are having fun on the paddle boards. They're having more fun in the water, I think, than on the paddle boards. But this is, I'm not sure if I've filmed this bit before. So that's where all the bits going on today. All over there, the barbecue and the food and the music. And this is the river. Over there to the left is my brother's marina. This is a little like shepherd's hut that is for rent, and there's a shower and toilet, and over there there's a couple of houseboats over here that people have. That over there is another marina, but again just all part of the river. But that's another marina. There's John. My battery died. Let's turn the camera around. Rare, I know. My battery died on my phone, so I had to go and change my battery back at the van. But yeah, this is marina. I know, look, again, I think I said earlier, the OG people have already know this, but this is weather like this that makes me want to boat even. I mean, I love boats, but it's weather like this that makes me want to boat even more. You've got this as a backdrop, and weather like this, I mean, look, I'm sure, and my brother will attest to the fact that in the winter it clearly isn't as nice as it is today, but it's days like this that make up for it, I think, make everyone want a boat. We walked over the bridge a little while ago, my battery was dead, but there was a couple of boats just sitting there in the middle of the river, just listening to the music. They had a beer in their hand, literally in the middle of the river, and it just looked like incredible. So that's what makes me want a boat, and I think one day we'll get a boat. I don't know if it'll be a live-on boat or a pleasure boat, but I will own a boat one day, so watch this space. So we're walking back into a bit of Madge. Bit of Madge is, well, obviously not Madge, but we're walking back to a bit of Material Girl.
Some boys kiss me, some boys give me action, give me attraction, cut my hair, do it okay. Want me right, the way I feel.
Man, I feel like a woman.
Feel like a woman.
Sing to Daisy.
Happy
birthday,
dear
Daisy. And then you've got Sally
Happy birthday to you.
Never no. That might be you.
That was John's pint. It's cake for the birthday girl, made. Grace, you made this, is that right?
Yes, I did.
Stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yep, I
Making
did.
this. How many tiers is that?
It's technically 6, but 3, if that makes sense. I didn't cut the cake in half.
Oh, okay.
But come and look at the inside. Look at this.
This is a bake-off moment.
That is a cake and a half, isn't it?
That is, if you like cake, that is very impressive.
No one told us you don't want to.
Well done.
Thank you.
Met Grace, who made the cake. This is Daisy, whose birthday it is. Happy birthday, Daisy.
Thanks.
She's been cutting them and then cut them in 3.
Can I get a piece of rainbow?
Right, well, I'm back in the van for the minute. I've just come back and actually charged my phone up because my phone's nearly dead. But if I sound sad, I am. I've just lost my drone. I've just flown the drone into some telegraph cables and it's dropped in the river and I've lost it. I was flying between trees high and I didn't realise that the telegraph cables came right through the middle of the trees. I didn't even think about it, so it's my stupid fault, but it's dropped right in the river. And on the maps, on the drone footage, on the drone screen, showed it as I went back up onto the bridge, showed it as being right beneath me, but it's sort of 8 foot, 10 foot of water, dirty river water that I've lost. So that's pretty horrible. Bit of a damper on the afternoon. You know what, I've seen so many people that I watch and follow on YouTube lose their drones in bridges and water and mountains and the North Pole and the Arctic and the desert and everywhere. I never thought it happened to me. So yeah, it's really annoying. It's really annoying. Yeah, it's made me pretty down actually. Which, look, it's not the end of the world, it's a drone, for God's sake. I've got my health, for God, you know, things are more important than the drone, but it's just really annoying. Do you know what's really annoying? I was talking to Abby a couple of days ago about wanting a new drone, and I want to get one where the drone, the screen is on the control as opposed to putting my phone into it. And she probably think I did this on purpose to get a new one. I didn't, I can assure you. But yeah, it's quite frustrating, but yeah, you know what, I've come back to the van just to put the controller away and stuff and give myself 5 minutes, and I'm going to go back over the river and have another beer and try and enjoy the evening. Okay, I'll catch up with you a bit later. So I'm heading back to join the festivities after my sad drone loss, but well, it is what it is, and I wanted a new one anyway, so I'll have to get one. So it wasn't deliberate, Abby, I promise. But right, I'm going to go back. The crossing's coming down. I don't know what that noise was. But I'm yeah, going to head back, have a few beers, try and enjoy the evening. I'm doing one for your thing.
Right now, behave yourselves. John, go get a picture. Go on.
Right, this is the morning. I've woke up at John's and yeah, it's I've not had a shower yet. I've got up, cleaned my teeth, and John's made a cup of tea. We're sitting down by the river, so I'm going to go and join him. But this is how lovely and sort of peaceful and everything else it is down here. I'll speak of the devil, there he is. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Could get used to this. But again, it's a lovely sunny morning. I'm not sure it'll be like it freezing cold, pouring down with rain. But yeah, I'm going to go and have a cup of tea and I'll see you before I go. Right, just had a cup of tea down by the river with John, a couple of the other boaters, which is quite nice. I'm now going to go back and have a shower, get myself ready to go back home. So I'm not sure how long this vlog is, not sure how much I filmed yesterday. Obviously we had the drone issue so there's no drone footage, but I will, yeah, I'll see what it is and hopefully it's enough to put a little vlog out. But look, this is where we're at. It's my brother's boat that is getting there, really getting there. He's close to being in the water, which would be nice for him. So yeah, as I said, I'm just going to jump in the shower and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, I'm off, I'm leaving, back in the van. I've had a cup of tea, bacon roll, and now we're off back home. We've got friends over today, which will be nice. spoken to Abby. She's done. The house is all clean and ready for me to get home. So yeah, I will sign off here. But thanks for watching. A bit of a different vlog, obviously. It's not a festival. It's not a sort of a weekend or a week away adventure. But it was a nice day down in the marina. I think I've said a couple of times yesterday. I've been here a couple of times before. And if you've watched us, you'll know that. But you know, everything that we do, we try and don't want to put just rubbish content out, obviously, but some people might be interested in boats, and again, I don't know how much of boats I filmed yesterday, but excuse me. But yeah, so again, thanks very much for watching. Please do the necessary. You know, we're predominantly a van life channel, so you know, boat things may not be your thing, but go back and look at our others, like and subscribe would be really appreciated. I think I've given up with a hype thing, but if you want to hype, please hype. And any comments, as people know, I always reply to comments. So yeah, leave us any comments or questions you may have, and we will catch up soon. We'll see you later. Bye bye.
Cruel summer. Tone abandoned me last night, and now I'm putting away his camera, so I thought you might like some little bonus footage.